graphing calculator, graph the following systems of equations, find the solution. So that's this. And so what we first have to do is turn it into y equals mx plus b. So I'm just going to start with the top one. And you're going to subtract the 2x over, so you're going to get negative y equals negative 2x plus 4. And then you are going to divide by the negative. Divide by the negative. And that answer should be y equals 2x minus 4. So that's your first new equation. And for the next one, you are going to subtract 9x over for this one. And so you'll get negative 6y equals negative 9x plus 8. And then you got to subtract the negative 6 on both sides. And you're going to get a nice little fraction here. So your new equation will be y equals 3 squared x minus 4/3. So this is a new equation, and that's a new equation. Then from there, Emma, would you like to take that?
I'll take it
for
away.
a whirl?
I'll take it away from here. Okay, so sorry, trying to get myself situated. So what we did next is well, for this like little guy, we kind of made him into like decimals. So we got y equals 1/5 or 1.5x plus 1.3, and that's because like when that becomes 1.5, 1.5, and that becomes 1.3, and then that is like that. And after we went through this, we set up our graph. Looks good. And then we took our graphing calculator and and we then filled it in. We put it on plot 1 and plot 2, and we filled those equations in for y1 and y2 on this graphing calculator, as you see here. So right now, I'll just fill them in. So you do 2, and then you use the X button on here, on the graphing calculator. And then you go down one, and then you do 1.5, and then you put X, and then you add 1.3. And this is what it should
subtract, because there's a negative. Shouldn't it be subtract 1.3?
Oops, yeah. Subtract that, and that's what it should look like. And then when you click the graph button on here, you hit graph, and then it'll graph the line for you. And that is how we got those, like, to get the lines like that. And so when you like write it, you kind of guesstimate where it is, and like, so it would be this, and this, or a little more high up actually. And then it'd be there. And here we go. You go ahead and take it away, girlfriend.
Okay, so to find the intersection points on your graphing calculator, you want to push second trace, and then you go down to number 5,
and you enter on intersect, and then you click enter, 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 and it gives you the intersection.
So you click enter 3 times, and then it'll turn out as that.
So the intersection point is x equals 5.4 and y equals 6.8. So your point on your graph should be 5.4, 6.8.
That is our final answer.